Hello, Mac users. Today, we're delving into the world of keeping your Mac tidy and efficient by securely cleaning up that pesky trash. Stick around as we explore 3 different methods to ensure your trash is securely emptied. Plus, we'll introduce a handy tool that works across various macOS versions. Let's dive in. The first way is to secure empty trash on macOS Ventura. If you're using the latest macOS Ventura, you've got some nifty options to tidy up your trash. First, locate the trash icon and simply choose Empty Trash. You can preview the files before emptying by opening the trash, clicking Empty in the top right corner, or right-clicking anywhere in the folder and selecting Empty Trash. Additionally, macOS Ventura offers an automatic cleanup feature. The second way involves securely emptying trash on macOS Sierra with Macube Cleaner. Macube Cleaner is your go-to solution for a secure and automatic trash cleanup, compatible with macOS Sierra, OS X Capitan, and OS X Yosemite. Download and launch Macube Cleaner, click on System Junk to scan and remove unnecessary files, then choose Trash Bin to securely clean up your trash. It's a simple, user-friendly way to keep your Mac clutter-free. And that's it. 3 ways to ensure your trash is securely cleaned up, no matter which macOS version you're on. For the third way, secure empty trash on OS X Yosemite and earlier. Now, for those of you still using OS X 10.10 Yosemite or an earlier version, you can securely empty the trash by dragging files into it and choosing Finder and then Secure Empty Trash. To make this the default setting. Thanks for joining us today on Macube. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Mac-related content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep your Mac clean and efficient.